Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza noodles. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and a half teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, combine these dry ingredients. Next, add 3/4 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Then turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down to release the air. On a lightly floured surface, roll the dough out into a rectangle, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. Now, using a pizza cutter or knife, slice the dough into long strips, approximately 1/2 inch wide. These are your pizza noodles. Carefully transfer these strips to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Take about 1/4 cup of your favorite pizza sauce and lightly spread it over each noodle strip, leaving a small border on the edges. Now for the fun part, adding cheese and toppings. Sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese evenly over your sauced pizza noodle strips. Feel free to add your favorite toppings next. Think mini pepperoni, finely diced bell peppers, or small mushroom pieces. Remember to keep your toppings small so they cook thoroughly and stay on the noodles. Avoid overloading each strip. A little goes a long way to ensure even baking and a delicious bite. This step truly customizes your pizza noodle experience. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, carefully place your baking sheet with the pizza noodles into the oven. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown and the crust is cooked through. Keep an eye on them to prevent overbrowning. Once baked, remove the sheet from the oven and let the pizza noodles cool for about 5 minutes. This allows them to set up slightly. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of extra marinara sauce for dipping. Enjoy your unique and delicious pizza noodles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.